Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you the rest of the plants that I have growing. And this one right here, these four are the ones I got from IKEA. I don't exactly know what kind they are, but they're growing pretty good. And this is my aloe ferox that I have here. And it's growing pretty good. Grew it from seed a couple months ago. Almost killed by overfeeding it. And then this is my prickly pear. I don't exactly know what kind this is. And it's growing pretty good since I got it. This is a chin cactus. That's known what it's called, not the species name, of course. And then here's my Mammillaria negepensis, also known as silver arrows. You can see a small flower bud growing right there, which is kind of pinkish yellowish. When I first got it, it had some fruit growing, which I collected seeds and planted them in here. And this cactus right here, Trichoceros grandiflorus, it's growing pretty good. This is a fast growing variety. When I first got it, was about that tall. Now it's grown this big. And then in that jar I have in the upside down jar I have a star fruit growing. Got the fruit in January, which contains some seeds. I planted a couple of them, some of them died. And this is the best one so far. And then here I have some dragon fruit seedlings I'm growing. It's kind of stopped watering it a couple days ago, or weeks weeks ago, and as you can see, and I watered it again and it's growing back to life, which is pretty good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed and have a good day.